Good morning, guys. It is Thursday morning and I'm about to head to work. Should have a full crew back at the shop today. JD was out for Tuesday, Wednesday, but he should be back today. And we got our buddy Alex coming to help, so should get some work done today. We got a truck bed build we're gonna do tomorrow, so we'll be prepping for that today. Trying to get 4 smokers done today too, along with some other stuff. So hey, let's get to work. Pulling into the shop now, right at 8. Oh yeah. Morning. Oh, good morning, JD. It's morning. It's morning. Reporting for duty? Yeah. Well, you're fired. Yeah. All right, you're rehired. All right, come on, buddy. I got some stuff for you. All right, buddy boy. Here's what I got for you. Rectangles. Not squares, but rectangles.
Oh, thank you.
Yep, no problem. I got these ready all by myself for you. Not really, but somebody did. Stacked in there, stacks of which ones go with which. And they're all very similar, but they're all different. Kind of like us. Oh. You know, so yeah. And these ones will all get center bars when you get done with them before you put mesh on them. Yep. And then these ones will just be normal. Yes, sir. Thank you. Appreciate it. You'll have those done in what, like 15 minutes? Maybe 10? All right. My man. Morning. Hey, we weld this on here for me. I'm cooking great. That looks center? Ah, close enough.
Man. Can't be doing that, Hayes.
It's literally perfect. We'll take measure out, measure it. You be like,
hair, bro.
You be like, damn. Good, bro. Good, bro.
Listen to me, being responsible.
What'd you say?
That's with employees to do that.
He looked at it. He was like,
They don't care.
he looked at it. He was like, damn, you right, bro. That's good.
Whatever.
Shit, good, bro.
Whatever.
Now, you ever run this bad boy before? This ain't like your average skid loader. This thing's a hoss. No, This is Old Faithful right here. This is what me and old Austin started with. This bad boy right here. So he's cutting 5 pieces of angle right now, so I'm gonna tack them together back here. Hey, you turn that gas on. Oh, you gotta turn the welder on too. That helps. That does help. Got there, buddy. C4. Woo! Steel's here. Man, I love metal. I just love it. The sales guy over there. Normally I gotta talk to him, but I'm gonna unload this metal and make Lawson talk to him. He's a little bit meaner than me. He'll probably send him on his way. All right, thank you, Rick.
Got 180 views on YouTube.
Famous. We're famous now, baby. It's a real deal. Doing well.
I'm with Kimball.
New Kimball guy.
Yeah.
I'm Hayes.
Hey,
nice to meet you.
Yeah.
He's here to sell a bunch of overpriced goods.
Yeah.
No, I've shown him these gloves too that we got. I just kind of brought a little bit of everything. I've got to go to Centennial Golf Course. I thought, man, I'm gonna run by there.
You damn right, I got 6 pieces of angle on my arms. Let's just make a separate stack on the side right here. Like, just pick up this one, set it to the side, and then just start like flipping them. Yeah. There it is. 6. Look at that. You ready? Lift with your legs, not your back. Ah. Get up there, boy. Yeah, get it up there. There it is.
Poor guy, I really threw him for a loop.
What?
Ask him about that soap.
Oh. He's new. He broke the dang blade. First day on the job, and you're already breaking the dang blade, dude.
Look at rough on
Lawson, I'm vlogging, dude. Come on, bro. Here you go, take that with you.
First day he broke the blade.
You look at the blade overhangs, y'all can see the blade is overhanging the roller a little bit. So it's supposed to be overhanging 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch. So I'd say we got about 3/16 overhang there, about a 1/4 inch overhang there. That looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off, and it should be good to go. Now, typically when you go to break in a new bandsaw blade, you want to turn the head pressure down so it puts a little less pressure on it as it goes down. But I've actually already got this set up that way, so should be good there. Turn this back on and get Alex back to cutting here. Move this over a little bit. All right, go ahead and go up. Yeah, you got it. All right, go down.
Like WWF Smoke Gator.
Say smoking gator. Oh, what about the thumbnail?
Oh yeah, I gotta do it. What I thought about doing is taking a shot of like the gator. Like, do we have any shots of the gators?
I mean, I've got the thumbnail for it.
Oh, you do?
Mm-hmm. The picture Kira and Justice.
Oh yeah. We're just gonna use it.
That'll work. Hey, I appreciate it.
And they fill it up.
All right, thanks.
I think it works. I was gonna rice too. Yeah, or however it works.
Yes, sir. Hello. Tell JD in my office. Okay.
You're
Oh, sorry, buddy. Oh, is it? Is it really?
no cussing on YouTube.
Fourth one for the day. Fourth one. Crack her open, baby.
He's waiting to see
Yeah.
what that cost is gonna be because he's a
Got some TMG torches to ship out. Hey, be careful my box, buddy. I just built that. We take pride in our boxes here at TMG.
That's the first.
Huh?
How many torches do you have here?
This is my third one, I guess. Shipping labels. Damn. A good one. Got a quick and easy repair job from my buddy Square here. So these are some local landscapers, Lawn and Leaf in Knoxville. They're good friends of ours, and they bought this Harley rake. And as you can see, China did not do a very good job fabricating this, and it is paper thin. They keep bending it up. So we're gonna cut it off about right here, refabricate this section out of 1/4 inch plate, and should kind of prevent that from happening again. All right, Square got Kevin all finished up here, so now it's all 1/4 inch plate. So they were having a problem where this deal hangs down lower than this. They were dragging this off and bending it all up, messing the bearing up. So now it's sealed up in there. Much better. All right, we got Mr. Brian on his way, be here in a couple hours. Gonna go ahead and oil down the outside of the smoker, kind of give it a quick wipe down, get it looking fresh. Been sitting around the lot for a couple days, so it gets a little dusty. But I'll get her cleaned up here. He's pretty fired up about getting it and getting it back home, cooking some food on it. So it'll be good for him. Go ahead and get some oil on this deal too. Yes, sir. But we use food grade mineral oil. That's what you always see us wiping down the smokers with. And we do use that inside and outside of the smoker. Young man. Okay, here's what I need.
I fixed it.
Did you? Wow, you so thoughtful. Okay, so here's the thing. Okay, we're gonna call this gate the left-hand gate. So it's on the driver's side of the truck. You need to remember that, okay? On this one, when you put this bar in, I need 13 1/8 inside to inside. 13 1/8, so it's gonna put it off center a little bit, which is fine. This bar you put in center. Now when you build your other grate, it's gonna be opposite. This side needs a 13 1/8, okay? 13 1/8. 1.8.
You see what he said?
All right, let's go check the mail. What do you say, Slick? What we got here? All right, nothing from the IRS, EPA, no lawsuits. Hey, that's a good day in my book. Left daggone key on, man. How about when Square went and got that blue thing from over here? He literally knocked over like 6 tires and they just rolled everywhere, and he just left them. What do they say, Lawson?
Can't have nothing.
Can't have nothing? Nice. You know, the only thing nice here is not even ours. This thing.
I know. I knew.
The only thing you get in starts up every time. It's not even ours.
Look at the bullet.
Look, we got the bullet over there.
The bullet.
If someone on YouTube can come over here and fix a bullet, please.
Please.
We're begging you. Come fix a bullet. R.I.P. bullet. Last but not least, we do have a spare tire in here, guys. You know the deal. You do not want to be on the side of the road without a spare tire, so we got that. Hey, he also threw in a 58 quart TMG Fit Orca cooler. Made the tongue extra large one up there so it can fit that sucker in there. Guys, that's it. He's about to get on down the road and head on out. Hey, we sure did enjoy building this. I'm sure Brian's gonna enjoy smoking on it. So guys, until next time, TMG Fits, Knoxville, Tennessee. All right, we got another happy customer rolling out. Brian L. with his new Fridge 60 rig. Y'all seen us working on? There she goes.
It'll move.
Well, folks, we're calling it a day, baby. Another day at the TMG shop done. So we got set up in here for our truck bed build tomorrow. Got our sawhorses out, so we'll actually build the whole truck bed on these sawhorses. Buddy Alex got a bunch of stuff cut for that. JD got the gates built for it and started building some other parts for it over here. I have the new guy back on Santa Maria grills over there. Scott, I believe Scott finished up that fridge, so he will be moving on to Heritage fireboxes now. So we got 5 Heritage fireboxes here. He'll be doing those. He got that fridge knocked out. Fridge 60, big boy. Then I believe Kellen is working on a insulated firebox. Copperhead insulated firebox. He just put this front plate on. He's still got to weld it. As you can see, there's no weld in there. So he'll do that in the morning. Kellen has built a bunch of truck beds with us, so I'll probably have him help on the truck bed tomorrow. I said the ideal plan is to go start to finish one day. Now this is a 18-foot landscape flatbed, so a pretty big unit here, but I think we can get it done. So guys, that's it. We're gonna lock up, head on home. Until next time, TMG out.